our next animal ambassadors. So ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the legends themselves, the fan favorites. Ladies love them. Na si Mingming at si Awaw. Okay now. Alright folks, as much as we want to show you their amazing talents, we don't want to alter the natural behaviors of our animals. But I'm so sorry talaga. Due to our current weather conditions, unfortunately, Mingming and Awaw are not in the mood to work this afternoon daw. Again, sorry kayo folks. Pero they are in the mood to play and they are playing hide and seek. So maybe help us look for missing animals na lang siguro. Maybe check under your seats. Basin nga dyan sila sa mga bangko. Check under your seats. Aliog lang ko. Mga namin mga kasama na pag-make. Sinadal mo yan. Okay, nada kayo next step. Our jungle giants. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is really our jungle giants and they mean you no harm naman po. So of course, you can meet and greet our snakes. Now we promise you folks, walang venom yan ang aming mga ahas. Pero iwasan na si Kuya Michael, kaya doon namin nanay ladies. Now if you are concerned about hygiene, everyday namin niya pinapaliguan ang aming ahas. Pero dili mi sure kung naligo ba karon si Kuya Jmar na siya tinuuhan. Bawal daw maligo pag birthday, folks. There we go. As we can see, a lot of kids are braver than the adults. Ang mga bata magpadoon mo. Gunit ang mga tiguang managan, mga atras maninoon. Don't be scared. Lapit na kayo sa ating mga jungle giants. Nasa mga audience nato na nalindog nagdulang trip to Jerusalem. Balik sa taglingkod. Buwa pa naman ang show. Palagay mo sa 350 na ticket ninyo, no? Oh, ma'am, okay na ka, ma'am? Ergo, tindog si sir. There we go. Be gentle with our animals naman. Hindi yan manangagat. Thank you so much, Kuya Jmar, for finding Mingming. And let's wait for Kuya Michael. There we go. Thank you, Kuya Michael, for finding Awaw. Alright, thank you so much. Now, folks, we're gonna need two very lucky victims for our next pilot victim. Volunteer for our next part. Pala sa Kuya Michael, may napili ka na ba? Si Madam daw naka-cross ang kamot, black na shirt, white na pants, naka-glasses. Yes, ma'am. Let's have you be a part of our show and let's have you up the stage. Sige na, pag-Facebook, pag-Twitter, pag-Instagram, nagkakag-likers, matawag din naman. Saka na natin rin, folks. Palampakan po natin para mapagsensya po siya kung hindi siya masanga sa stage karong hapon na. There we go, dito naman, ma'am. Alright, wala, ding, ding, ding. Dito na po tayo na. How about you, Kuya Jmar? May napili ka na ba? So si ma'am daw na nakapula, denim jeans, na i-watch on her left wrist, white na shoes. Yes ma'am, pili kayo kung module 17 or ang bitin module sa imo ha. Regardless, you'll have to meet Mingming in Awaw po. There we go, dito na po tayo, the both of you. Anyway, numbag lang naman din ang mga kailangan. Dito tayo. And dito tayo as well. Okay, perfect. Now, syempre folks, before we have to meet our gentle giants, let's meet our guests muna. No? So introduce yourselves po. What's your name and where are you from po, ma'am?
Jonah Marian po. Tubalan, Manita.
Okay, Ma'am Jonah from Maleta. Okay, Ma'am Jonah from Maleta. What's your name and where are you from po, ma'am?
Jen, Davao City.
Okay, Ma'am Jen from Davao City. Perfect. Malita, Davao City. Malita o Davao daw, kuya? Hoy, sayaw! Indog naman mo! Hoy! Wait lang. It looks like hindi sila na-on yan. Time's up. Wait lang. Now, ma'am, once you step into the arena, you will have to show us your best dance moves. No? Because of course, at yung mga height na makita ng kanilang talent, and to be fair lang sa kanila, at least ang tao sasayaw for them, di ba? Now, since taga Davao ka, ma'am, the birthplace of budots po, do you know how to budots? Marunong ka ba mag-budots, ma'am?
Dili ko ka ba?
Sure ka, di ka ba mag-budots? Sure? Ang ate, hindi ka ba mag-budots? How about you, ma'am? Marunong ka ba mag-budots? Di po ka ba mag-budots? Okay, wala ka po sa ilapos. No problem, ma'am. Kung hindi ka ba mag-budots, pag tiningling diha na walang kawayan, and ikaw pag breakdance diha, basta mo sayo din mo dapat ha, pakita din yung talent. Kuya! One more time, please. Go! Malita! Agoy! Davao representing, there we go. Kuya Jimar, sayo kita. Ma'am, isa man, ma'am. Natay, may ano diha, ma'am? Boulevard. Boulevard, kasi gusto niyo ng music, ma'am. Ano, ma'am? Okay, sayaw mo. Hindi ko mapakita si ano na. It's, Whitney Houston na rin. Si Whitney Houston na, ma'am, di ka masayaw. Sure ka kay Whitney Houston? Gamay, okay. Kuya, Whitney Houston daw. One more time, masayaw ng isa. There we go. With somebody who loves me. Hey, woo! 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 Aka na, ma'am. A bit of a Madonna. Wala? Thank you ka, masayaw. Sure. Okay, kuya, stop na music na. So, ma'am, di ka masayaw. You get to meet me, ha? Hindi ka, mas din si sayaw ka, you get to meet aw-aw. Ang lukon ko ni mo. Trabaho mo din. Okay, fair enough. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are our Burmese pythons with the scientific name of Python vividatus. They are the third largest species of snake in the world, and they are considered as non-venomous naman po. Meaning, if they bite you, you will not die. Pero they are constrictors, meaning they will crush every single bone in your body and swallow you whole alive. Head first, so that just depends on your point of view. Now, ma'am, let's head to the center of the arena po. Center of the arena. There we go. Now, who are you with po, ma'am? Sino kasama mo?
Anak.
Sana fun. Family, kaway-kaway family! Sana ba? Hello family, welcome to Davao Rock Park and Zoo family. Now, family, please take lots of beautiful photos for her, please, pang Facebook, pang Twitter, pang Instagram. Of course, don't forget to tag us at Davao Rock Park and Zoo. There we go, dahil yung picture. And madam, ay lang panggahi diha. Show us your best Valentina pose naman, no? So hips bent, feet forward, lips pouty. Marag Valentina from Darna lang. There we go. Picture yun sila, folks. And ikaw man, just enjoy your moment with our snake. They're gonna picture. And we should be good na siguro. Kuya Michael, we can remove Bing na from ma'am. There we go, ma'am. Thank you so much for being part of our show. And we can return to our seat na po. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Now, ikaw na po, Santo de Arena, Santo Marina. Sino kasama mo? Who are you with po?
Dominic and Center.
Okay, Dom, Seth, awali. Now folks, she is carrying about 11 kilograms worth of pure steak muscle. So this is a bit heavy talaga. Now, on to the question and answer portion ng parang tapos na perwisyo mo. Can you describe, how do you feel? Kumusta ka? I don't know, fair enough. Siya kabalo siya nga nabati folks. But it goes to show, even if you're scared, these are very gentle giants. And they mean you no harm naman. So if you see them out in the wild, it is best to just leave them alone naman folks. Now, can you describe the snake po, ma'am? Are they warm? Are they cold? Ano po? Cold daw folks, cold. This is because these animals are cold-blooded or ectothermic, meaning they need the sun, water, and shade to thermoregulate their body temperatures, unlike us humans na warm-blooded or endothermic po, folks. Once again, pag cold-blooded ecto, pag warm-blooded endothermic, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Sir Dom, Sir Seth, please take lots of beautiful photos for her, please, pang Facebook, pang Twitter, pang Instagram, pagka ayaw sabitin. There we go. Pag-ayos ulitin. Pag-ayos ko yung Gmar. Please fix the stick. There we go. Pinita lang ng bait na ma'am. Alright, di ako na nag-problema. Ano yung ulo kayo? May hapa ka ma'am. Grabe po ka. Mag-adjust mo na. And let's remove Awa and Ming Ming na from her na po. There we go. And we can return to our seat na po mga folks. Let's give both of our guests a round of applause for being very brave in meeting our gentle giants as si Ming Ming and si Au Au. Thank you so much to the both of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission, and that is the conservation, preservation, and hopefully rehabilitation of our animal population, not just here in the Philippines, but the rest of the world as well. Pero, give yourselves a round of applause also for helping us out on our mission. Dagang salamat kayo sa inyo, Aganan. On behalf of my fellow trainers, we have Kuya Michael, Kuya Richie, Kuya Dexter, Kuya Cyril, and of course we also have Ate Chloe with the talks if you want to help us out some more on our mission. Boss, special thanks to Kuya Pipoy. Once again, my name is Kuya Mark, and a very, very, very special happy birthday to our head trainer, ladies and gentlemen, na si Kuya Gmar. Palakpakan po na ito. Nakaabot yun siyang inaning tuiga, ladies and gentlemen. No? Inana, nagrina. Once again, we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Yun, there we go. Pero that's not all po folks, because if you want to have your photos taken with our animal ambassadors, just form 2 lines over here. 1 group or 1 family at a time lang. But be gentle with our animals. Do not drop them and do not touch them without our trainer's permission. Check your surroundings. Pick up any trash and throw it in the proper bin. Dagang salamat kaayo sa inyo tanan. Once again folks, if you want to have your photos taken, just form 2 lines over here. Be gentle with our animals.